Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be bottling Forsythia. You guys remember 8 weeks ago I made a video where I bottled and picked and got this thing ready, and I can't believe it's already 8 weeks later. Here we are and she's ready. So let's get started. So we're gonna need a clean mason jar to do the catching, and of course we have our nifty little filter with that fine mesh that we've talked about before, so we don't use any type of cloths or anything, because I don't like the fibers that, when they get in there, kind of crazy. So let's crack this open and see what it's... Ooh, that smells incredibly strong. So let's go ahead and start filtering it out. Don't forget, we're only doing a little bit at a time. Ooh, look at that color. That's incredible. Wow, the smell is intoxicating. It's really good. So Forsythia, let's talk about it while we're doing this. What are the benefits of it? Well, it's a strong anti-inflammatory and immune modulating substance. Well, it has substances that are strong anti-inflammatory and immune modulating. It's a strong antimicrobial, which is antibacterial, antiviral activities. It kind of disrupts them from replicating. Antioxidant and free radical scavenging effects, which is kind of cool. Let's take a look, see how this thing looks. Make sure that it's nice and dry. Catchy little sifter. Oh yeah, it's bone dry. That's fantastic. That's what I like about the flowers, because it's easy to take the compounds out of them. They won't be all, I am going to say the word again, moist after I finish expressing them. Oh Lord. Okay, so another thing, it supports respiratory health, colds, fevers, infections. So if you have any of that, it's really good to start taking it. Traditional used for detoxification and reducing heat, which is inflammation. So think about it this way: when you have any type of inflammation, your body is in a heat mode. So this helps take it out, reduce it. So this is going to be really quick because it is extracting very, very nicely. The last one is it's a potent antiviral and immune response modulating activities that it does as well. So all this information, by the way, you can actually find on my website. I do a lot of scientific research on the plant itself, or the flowers, or whatever it is that we're using. So that way you have all the information right at your fingertips. And we also reference it back to its source. Get every last bit goodness in there. There it goes. Perfect. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, so let's give this guy a little test and see how it does. What do I mean by that? Well, I got my handy dandy pipette. Let's go ahead and sample it. Holy crap. That is really, really strong. So what does it taste like? I can definitely taste the antiseptic properties of it, which is pretty incredible. Let's see what else. It's very drying. Does that make any sense? It feels very drying. It's not as moisturizing as I thought it would be. I can see why it's antibacterial, antiviral. Any bacteria or viruses would not survive in that very base environment. It feels like there's a little bit of an aftertaste, so it's not bad. You could probably just wash it down with some, with some juice or some water or some alcohol, additional alcohol. So yeah, I think this is really good. And guess what? I forgot something else again. Again, I always forget something. It never fails. I'll be right back. I forgot it because I was sanitizing it. These are the bottles that I store them in. Like I said, I wait for you guys to order stuff before I bottle it. So let's go ahead and funnel this thing back into its holding tank, if we will. Nice. All right. So that is the first bottle. Looks like we're gonna get another 300 mLs out of this thing. So I've got a label ready to go. Label our tincture. And there you have it. Bottled and ready for taking orders. So tomorrow this the new product will drop along with this video, which I'm filming tonight. So I just wanted to do a quick bottling video so you guys could see it and get the first taste of it and see what it tasted like. It's not unpleasant, but it's not something that I'm like, ooh, I can't wait to take it again, but it's actually really good for you. So I hope this was informational for you and it's beneficial, and stay tuned. We'll be bottling some other tinctures and sampling them. And by the way, here's a little quiz for you. This is a new tincture that I just started making yesterday. If you can guess what this is, I will send it to you for free. And I'll send you a bottle of it so you can try it out. It's actually, I'll give you a hint. It's of the floral variety, and it's good for both men and women. I'll leave it at that. So put your guesses in the comments and let's see what you come up with. I'm curious to see what everybody thinks. Till next time, see you later.